done sa'yo, okay? Formentera. Sir Elmer Formentera. I'm done to you. Done na din sa'yo, ano, Sir Uncle 7K. All bell na siya. Okay, sige, enjoy. Mamaya sa live, see you there. See you sa live niya mamaya. Kanina nanalo si Sissy Shell ng $10 pahula. Mga title ng kanta. Yung nakapin, tingnan mo, live niya yan, upcoming, mamaya. Anong oras ba yung live ni Ma'am Biolay mamaya? PM, alas 6 ng gabi. Ang live niya. Minsan naman alas 7. Minsan naman 6. Ganyan. Okay, sige. So 10 million. Guys, ako'y magpapaalam na guys. Oh, nilampas naman kay ko guys. Ay na. Oh, tingnan nyo yung dapat sang oras lang yung live ko eh. May isa't kalahating oras na. Okay, kinagat na ako ng lamok. Bye-bye na guys. Sisi Live Lo, thank you so much. Enjoy 20. Thank you. See you after 1 hour. And Sisi Angela, thank you so much. Master GR, thank you. Uncle 7K, thank you so much. Done na ako sa bahay mo, Uncle 7K ha. Na-itam shirt ko na rin yon. Elmer Formentera, I'm done your house also. Sir Lauro, thank you so much Sir Lauro. And Joshua, thank you so much. The Arabic, I don't know what is your name. So thank you so much. Shukran Kiter. Ma'am Bioli, thank you so much. And Ninis Vlog, thank you. Sir Tina and Sir Mike and Tina, thank you so much. And Sri the Food, thank you so much. Miss Sara Channel, thank you so much. Family Fame Lifestyle, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat guys. Thank you Master GR. So tayo ay mag-e-end na. Daog ko ho, send mo na lang sa Gcash ko. Asa ka na daog, Master? Master! Dili, wala man ko kabalas imong Gcash. Bye-bye na guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Nakakaabang na ako live lo doon sa primer mo. Ang primer ni Sisi Live lo, 5:15.